Electricity is one of the most important blessing that science has given to mankind. It has also become a part of modern life and one cannot think of a world without it. Electricity has many uses in our day-to-day life. It is used for lighting rooms, working fans and domestic appliances like using electric stoves, AC, and more. All these provide comfort to people. In factories, large machines are worked with the help of electricity. Essential items like food, cloth, paper, other thing are the product of electricity. Modern means of transportation and communication have been revolutionized by it. Electric trains and battery cars are quick means of travel. Electricity also provides means of amusement. Radio, television, and cinema, which are the most popular form of entertainment, are the result of electricity. Modern equipment like computer and robots have also been developed because of electricity. Electricity plays a pivotal role in the fields of medicines and surgery too, such as X-ray. In short, the use of electricity has changed the lives of men to such an extent that without it is almost unthinkable.